Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer files from your external hard drive to your Redmi 14C. So let's say for instance, if you'd like to transfer some files from your hard drive to your device, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is connect your external hard drive to your Redmi 14C. Now I have done a video on how to do that, so I'll link it down in the description below. Now once you've connected your hard drive, all you have to do is open the Files app or the File Manager application on your device. So for me, I have this Files app, so I'll tap on it and then give it a few seconds. And then from here, simply scroll down until you find the All Storage section and then select your hard drive. So here's my hard drive, the storage it. So I'll tap on it to access the contents of your hard drive. Now from here, all you have to do is find the file that you'd like to transfer from your hard drive to your device. So scroll through and find the file that you'd like to transfer. So let's say for instance this one. All I have to do is press and hold that particular file. And once you've selected it, you can simply tap on the three dots at the top right corner. And then from the options that appear, you can either choose to move that particular file or you can choose to copy. So whichever option you'd like to use, simply select it. So for me, I'll just select copy. So I'll tap copy to, and then you should see three options. So either the internal storage, or if you have an SD card inserted, you can simply select SD card, or you can simply transfer it back to your external hard drive. But since you want to transfer it into my device, you should select internal storage. So tap on that, and then from this section, you'll be prompted to choose the location that you'd like to transfer that particular file to. So you can select a folder that you'd like to use or to save that particular file, or you can simply create your own folder by selecting add new folder. So let's just create a new folder for the sake of the video. So I'll tap that, and then you can write the name of that particular folder. So let me just type in a name. And then once you're done, simply select copy to folder, and that file will be transferred, or it will be copied from your external hard drive to your Redmi 14C. So let's give it a few minutes for you to complete the transfer process. Once you'll see this notification, that particular file has been transferred to your device. Now you can access that file from your device. So let's go back to the internal storage, and then from here find the folder that you transferred that file from your device to, or from your hard drive to your device. So this is the folder, select it, and there you go. You can see that particular file has been transferred from your hard drive to your Redmi 14C. You can repeat the same process for all the other files that you'd like to transfer from your hard drive to your device. So that's basically it on how to transfer files from your external hard drive to your Redmi 14C. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.